kahapon, sobrang lamig. Yun yung sarap kumain dito ng dinugaan.
Ano ba to? Calories pa.
So what's up mga katams? So today we're going to Kroger. Bibili kami ng aming babaunin para sa aming journey tomorrow with my wifey here. Nya 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 nya.
Sana maging masaya siya.
Dapat maging masaya siya kasi ang layo niya. So ngayon bibili kami ng babaunin namin na tubig, soft drinks, chichirya, bread sa Kroger. So let's go. Yalla! Yung maganda na ang panahon ngayon. Sa kagaya kahapon, sobrang lamig. Mas maganda ang araw. Oh! Ang ganda ng asawa ko.
Mukha akong mataya.
So kailangan natin, importante talaga, tubig. Tapos yung tinapay.
24. Ay, hindi, 40 na.
Hindi, 40 na yung bibilhin mo.
Tapos dalawang tinapay bibiling ko. Kasi
Bibili pa tayong palaman.
Ang dami palaman sa bahay.
So dalhin na lang natin yung mga nasa bahay. Cost cutting. Kailangan namin magtipid sa travel na to.
Parang yun, ngayon niya lang talaga rin na rin. Na parang nag-focus siya dun sa dream niya na yun. So parang ganun niya. Parang one dream at a time.
Hindi pwedeng sabay-sabay.
Diba parang nung tayo, hindi makakarating dito kung hindi aalis ako. So ako sa hospital mag-work. Kasi dapat bedside experience. So kahit malaking sweldo sa call center,
You need to let go.
oo, kailangan mo siyang i-give up. Tapos, kailangan mo magtiis ng isang taon. Nagbunga, magtitiis.
Grabe rin yung journey bago kami makarating dito.
Pero yun nga, pag meron kang dream, magpo-focus ka talaga dapat.
Oo.
Hindi pwedeng paiba-iba.
At saka never give up. Kumbaga laging may pag-asa. Kumbaga hindi agad nga ngayon. Kasi tagal din naman, di ka?
2021. Di ba binalikan ko nga yung chat nating dalawa nung exam date ko? Ang kulit lang. Hindi ako, miyak ako nun.
Sobrang hindi madali.
Mega agad eh. Sure ako, bagsak ako. Mahirap naman talaga eh.
But look at us now.
Yes, here we are.
We're here. Pero syempre, hindi naman yung pagpunta mo dito, automatic, big time ka, ganyan, mabibili mo lahat ng gusto mo. Hindi ganun na.
Ano ba yung cute ng bata?
Ba, kasi akalain nung iba na nakikita nilang pumupunta ng Amerika na instant. Alam mo yun? Tao. Ang cute niya. So, nakabili na kami ng bread. Yan, tsaka soft drinks. Kasi magkagutuman.
Yeah, kaso isang kainan lang po.
Medyo malayo yung biyahe namin. Hindi ko muna sasabihin kung saan, pero medyo malayo talaga. Malayo daw. Yun, hindi daw medyo, malayo daw talaga. Kita niyo si Madam sa likod. Anong ginagawa? Naghahanap ng coupon para makatipid.
Nice!
Sabi ko sa inyo, bibili na nga kami dapat ng babaunin namin. Napapunta na kami dito sa bilihan ng sapatos. Sana nga makabili ang aking asawa ng shoes. O itong 8.
Ang luwag na kasi nito din na mga. Kaya ayaw ko siya.
Ito nga. Yun yung isang sad dito sa Jackson, Tennessee. Walang masyadong Pilipino.
Hindi, karamihan kasi ng Pilipino dito nagtatrabaho ng weekend.
Hindi, tsaka konti lang talaga ang Pilipino. Napakaganda naman. ng ating pag-travel na to, no? Yun ang mga sinasakto talaga ang pagkakataon.
Yeah, well, hindi na yun. Kahit alam mo na nag-advance ka na nagplano. Pero kung sabi ng panahon, hindi. Dito na.
Ang ganda po ang panahon. Quality. Ay, naku. Patigyan natin konti. Tapos bubuhatin natin lahat. Ang galing. Yala.
Uy, malakas ang ulan.
Dito lang naman, te.
Wow!
Ang ganda ng panahon, te, no? May earphones pa sa mesa.
Ang ganda naman ng panahon ng aming travel. Oh my goodness. Hindi pwedeng mabasa. It's 5:42 in the morning at ang tropang Yobab ay sumibat na. It's supposed to be 4:30. Pero,
Pinoy eh.
siyempre, Filipino time nga. Kahit kami nasa Amerika, Filipino time pa rin. Diba?
Hindi yan mawawala sa atin. Proud Pinoy to.
Yun nga. Yun ang mga tinatawag na hindi nakakalimot sa sariling kultura. Diyos ko.
Parte na pala yun ng kultura natin.
Oo! Kultura yun! Ba't may pasok pa isa pa? Ay, Lunes, no? May pasok nga pala.
Ay, hindi wala.
Oo, may pasok yung mga bata. Yan yung ano, school bus nila. Ganda naman ng weather ng aming biyahe. Diba?
Very, very,
So,
very good.
nothing can stop us. Diyos ko.
Wala, nahingi na yung pet time eh. Hindi walang bawian.
Wala na, nakapag-file na sila ng kanilang mga vacation. Pero sana naman pagdating doon sa part doon sa makalabas tayo ng Jackson siguro hindi na masyadong maulan. So, makikisama yan.
Ulan ba ba?
Oo.
Ayos! Ano ka mapapanalunan sa
Hello,
raffle?
New York?
Ano yun? Kung yun, di ba?
1.5 yun.
O 1.5 na bakasyon
Travel.
Bo?
or electronic.
Oh, gadget.
Oo.
Or luxury item. Parang ganun.
Siya, luxury, luxury money. So yung unang lakad ni Paring Al, yun yung tropang Grace. Ngayon, kami nang magkakasama mga tropang Yobab ngayon.
Dapat ha?
Oo.
Ating first,
Ito yung first na mahabang biyahe namin.
hindi ba kasama yung Nosh?
At travel, hindi.
Din yun ah.
Hindi yun. Hindi yun. Sobrang parang Manila lang yun to, sa atin eh. Oo. Aba hindi be, kumbaga ito 3 hours may get. Dito pa lang papuntang Alabama. Tapos yung from dito dun sa pupuntahan natin.
What?
Diba? Malayo to. Tapos meron na kami na planong sunod.
Saan?
Tennessee Loop
Wow.
ng waterfalls.
Oo, laban.
Oo. Mga after 2 days gawin natin. Tapos nito. Kasi si Al, nung isang araw lang siya umabsent sa tanang buhay niya dito sa Amerika. Isang beses lang yun.
May sakit siya, no?
Oo. May sakit. Grabe, kakaawa si Al nung araw na yun. Hindi makakain. Ang gusto niya lang kainin suso. Ha? Ay, mali pala. Suso. Mali ang pronunciation ko.
Oh.
Suso.
Yung sinisip-sip.
Yung sinisip-sip. Yun, suso.
Di siya ganun.
Sinisip-sip din yun eh.
Magkano yung susunod?
Ano yun? Creamy din.
Creamy suso.
Tangina, ban tayo sa YouTube, boy.
Yung pagkain ha, yung pagkain.
Pagkain yun, suso. Papakita ko dito yung picture ng suso.
Ay, kung binaban kami ng YouTube, sila yung may green mind.
Pero may itim yung susong yun, no?
Oo.
Oo, hindi siya yung mapula-pula. May mapula nun eh. Brown pala yun. Oo, hindi pula. Sorry, maling kulay. Yay! Tumigil na!
Hindi na.
Tumigil na po ang ating rain. Maganda na. So, nasa na tayo? So, binabaybay natin ngayon ang Bypass US 45. Ito yun, yung 45 pa rin to. Yung
Parang padilig dun sa pupunta.
Oh no! Welcome to Alabama! Ay, ang bilis. Poking ina.
Sorry na, 65 yung speed limit.
Nagislos na yung Alabama. First stop ng trip. Trip lang. Ano? Pagod? Saan nga ba?
Sa loob.
Pasok ka sa loob.
Shallow.
Malaki po ang CR namin dito. Dito na kami sa gasoline station sa Alabama, sa racetrack. So, jumehi lang ang dalawa kong kasama. Ay, ang ganda ng sky.
1 hour, 15 minutes na lang. Darating na tayo sa destinasyon.
Lapit na. Yalla! Aba, si Madam Grace nga pala nandito na. Welcome to the vlogs! Kalungkot yung M&M's dito, migas. Kapag nilagyan ng Viagra. Ha? Tigas din. Tambay muna kami dito. Geng. Papahinga muna at pakilang oras na rin kami ng biyahe. Hindi daw magbe-breakfast. Let's go. Yalla. Ang init. Oh, ang ganda mga katams. Pwede daw dyan mag-swimming.
Gusto ko dyan eh. Dito tayo mag-picnic.
Yun o, sarap kumain dito ng dinugaan. Quality.
May view.
Oo. Amoy damo.
Kapag sa akin.
Kung maligo para ako.
Dagat ka.
Tennessee River.
Yan.
Fresh water.
Tapos to, magsasalubong papuntang dagat.
Binasa ko lang, nakalagay dun sa taas eh. Tennessee River.
Ang laki nga. Naku, ang tagal din ang pinagsamahan namin na rin Pink na rin. Kailangan na nating i-let go. Kailangan ka na namin i-let go. Sorry. Hindi. Ako na. I-let go ko na yung Pink. Ang dami na nating ulam na nalagay dyan. Masarap sana kung may ganito rin sa atin eh. Gawa ng nakaka-relax. Ano mga katams, yun yung Makulot. Bundok ng Makulot. Ano mo yun? Sikat sa amin yun eh.
Napunta na dito, ayaw na rin sa Pinas.
Oo. Umalis na yung bundok sa Pilipinas, pumunta na dito sa US. So mga katams, babatch na ulit kami. Saan naman ang sunod na stop natin?
Pwede.
Sa Lost Seas. Doon naman ang aming sunod na tigil. Ewan namin kung makikita namin at nawawala nga. Kaya tulungan nyo kaming makita. 1 hour and 30 minutes lang daw yung Lost Sea from here. Malapit na siya.
Ilang episode lang na ano yun.
Ano, ilang yung katas na nakalipas siguro mga 5 episodes. Kasama ang ads. So mga tams, babatsin na kami. Yalla paring Al. Grabe mga katams, may stranded kami nito, malilit kami ng todo nito. Yan o, 2 minutes traffic. Oh, putang ina nga ba no? Parang yung 2 oras mahigit lang ni paring Al. Oh? Sir, good morning! Napagas mo kayo?
Opo, sir.
Ano, premium sir, diesel. Diesel karga natin para mas malakas.
Wag, sir. Malaya pa yung biyahe namin.
Eh, mas malakas yung diesel sir.
Malakas ba?
Oo, sabog yung makina niya.
Sige! Sabog na din ako!
Nakargahan ka na sir, full tank ba?
Bultang.
O, awas. Tawasin ka?
Ay, may extra ako dyan na tangke. Nasa taas ng bubong.
Ay, sige sir. Bibigyan ko kayong hiling.
Laban.
Walang tao sir. Ay, bukas. Sir, puno na. Natin, sir.
Sige, sir.
Dura lang ginagamit ko sir. Dura.
Pwede pagdura ko na lang para makatipid.
Ano sir? Tubig sa ano nyo, sa radiator sir. Lagyan natin sir.
Pwede, sir.
Lagyan natin gas.
Sir, tumunog na, sir.
Sir, may hiling na yun na $20 ha.
Nice!
Kailangan ho ng tip. Minimum $20.
Ang mahal naman, sir.
Magkano ba yung ano nyo sir? Bali sir, 30 yung gas nyo.
Plus $20.
Tapos $20 sa tip nyo sa akin.
Pwede po ba 20 pesos lang?
Ay, hindi pipili. Nasa Amerika tayo. Sige sir.
Salamat po.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Ano man, sir?
Kuha ka ng lisensya. Ano, kuha nga pa ng lisensya. Ang bahala dyan, 150 lang ito sir.
Totoo ba?
O gusto mo sir, samahan kita dyan sa Los Sea.
Baka mawala ko dyan.
Mawala talaga tayo. Mawala talaga tayo sir. 40 years na ako nawawala dyan eh. So mga katams, nandito na tayo sa Los Sea. Hindi naman namin makita. Ito yung sinasabing nasa gitna kami ng kawalan. Magkano dyan ang ihe? $20? $5? Ang dumi.
Pinapatan naman.
Ang dumi.
Wala naman, kasi mahal nga yung $5.
Lugi nga yata ako kanina. Ang siningil sa akin 15. Nasaan ang aking powering on?
It's your pal.
I'm your dude, sexy dude.
It's your pal, paring Al.
It's your Grace, Mowing Grace. Grace, putang ina, parang santo ah. Ari, it's your nurse.
Oh, it's your nurse.
Wala siyang speech.
Garcia I'm going to be your tour guide today. Now, before we get started, I do have some rules to go over with you guys. They're really simple, really easy to follow. Just make sure you guys are staying on the trail and with me at all times so nobody's getting lost or left behind. Make sure you guys are not smoking, littering, or vaping down here. That stuff can cause damage to the formations. And then, guys, lastly, but most importantly, please do not touch, break, damage, or deface anything down here. That can come with a Tennessee state fine from $50 to $500. That's a lot of money, guys. Just don't touch anything for me, all right? Now, this is going to be a 3/4 mile long round trip walking tour. There is a boat ride included, about a half mile in. The first half mile is a slight decline of about 140 feet. There will be after that, incline is going to be, once again, 140 feet back up. There are going to be 3 rest stops on the way back, so you guys have nothing to worry about there, I promise. And then if you guys are ready to get started, we are good to go. All right. Make sure you guys are watching your step for me. It's a little bit slippery.
Parang malasado na ang kanilang tungtungan. Ano yun?
Alright guys, so our first stop of the tour today is something called the Cascades. You guys will look right up here for me. You're going to see an orange kind of brown formation. That stuff up there is called drapery. Now guys, drapery is made up of iron oxide, so it's really just pretty rust. Here at the Lost Sea, we do have a special nickname for it. We like to call that stuff cave bacon. The reason we call it cave bacon is just because when you turn the bacon out, it looks like a piece of cooked bacon. And then I'm sure you guys all see the more white formation right under that. It's called flowstone. Flowstone is made of calcium carbonate. That's going to be the main ingredients for things such as Tums or Rolaids. So it all works out perfect. You get your bacon and your Tums all in the same spot.
So, ito daw yung pinakamalaking underground lake dito sa Amerika. Watch your head. Ula-ula.
Alright guys, now as we're continuing down the next path, make sure you're staying on the red mats for me. It's going to be a little bit slippery, okay guys? So guys, the second stop of our tour today is called the Vale of Tears. This is an active formation of stalagmites and stalactites. Stalagmites will be down in the bottom, stalactites will be right at the top, and a really good way to remember that is stalactites cling tight to the ceiling. Stalagmites might get there one day. They can grow together to form something called a stalactostalagmite, also known as a column or a pillar, and that just happens by the constant dripping of water, hence the name the Vale of Tears. Now guys, as we're continuing down the next path, make sure you're watching your step for me. We're going from concrete to clay, okay guys? The reason we believe that is because about 100 years later, in 1927, a group of teenagers came down, they were exploring the cave, and they actually ended up finding some relics that the natives left behind. They found things such as arrowheads, pottery, and jewelry. All that stuff is now going to be on display in the lobby, so make sure you guys go check that out before you leave. The Greek word anthos, which means flowers, so they're commonly known as our cave flowers. And that's just because of the way they grow. They kind of flower out, they look like flowers. However, they are formations, and like I said before, they are very, very rare. You can only find these in about 8 caves throughout the entire world. The Lost Sea is going to hold around 70% of the anthodite population, which makes us a U.S. natural landmark. You're going to see our reconstructed leaching vat. This was used by Confederate soldiers during the Civil War. Originally, they came down in our cave to mine it for saltpeter crystals. Our cave doesn't have any saltpeter crystals, so they didn't get very far with that. Instead, they just decided to make some. So they took background on. If you guys don't know, that's just a really fancy way to say bat poop. Like soap, dirt, and ashes. They would have mixed all that stuff together and then poured boiling hot water on top. After that, a liquid called Mother's Liquor would have drained off at the very, very end into the trough. You guys can see right over there. They would have waited on that liquid to harden and turn it into those saltpeter crystals, which they would have scraped off the sides, sent off to gunpowder refineries, and then, of course, been sent back gunpowder in return. And then if you guys look a little bit further down the trail for me, you're going to see a date that says 1863. That is the earliest known date in our cave. It has been carbon-14 dated and been proven to be authentic, and that date alone puts us on the Civil War trail marker map. Now guys, as you're walking down this path, you're going to see a lot of other names, a lot of other writing. Ignore it. All that stuff is from when we were opened as Craighead Caverns. Back then, you could pay a nickel to come down here and do whatever you wanted to with no supervision. So, if you guys see any writing that is not that 1863, just close your eyes. Ignore it. Also, make sure you are watching your head for that rock right there. We do not want to ignore that.
Sabi niya, ano, ang gulo daw ni Al kausap. Sabi. Al, what can you say about the tour? Sarap mag-party dito. Dito sila nagpa-party dati.
Conference room pala yun. Grand ballroom.
Yun na yung pinakamalaking lake. Underground? Underground lake.
Oh, it's the largest underground lake.
It's the biggest underground lake here in the U.S.
Malalim pa lang.
I have almost fallen in one time, and it was this year, and it made me not do that for like 2 weeks. Yeah. He needs to do the splits. Rylan, they want to see you do the splits. Yeah, dude, come on.
Oh, I do it on my own.
We brought the fish down here.
Ay, nag-control nandoon.
Saan? Wala.
And the water's so clear, it's
Wow,
deceptive.
ang clear naman ang picture natin dyan, paring El.
It's just so clear.
Ko?
Congratulations, guys. You are now sailing the largest underground lake. Our lake is going to be about 4.5 acres, but the dimensions for you guys is going to be about 800 feet long, 220 feet wide, about 65 feet tall from water surface to its tallest point. It's going to be about 70 to 75 feet deep at its deepest. Now, our lake
Marino,
is
na
kind
happy
of
ka na
like a
dito?
swimming pool, so the farther out you go, the deeper it's going to get. That just means around our boat dock, it'll stay about 10 to 15 feet deep. If you guys were looking into the water while we were over there, it definitely didn't look that deep. That's just because of the magnesium in the water. It acts as a very strong natural magnifying glass, making everything look a lot closer to the surface than it really is. Another thing you guys might have noticed about the water is the blue-green tint that it has to it. That is from the limestone. We are mainly a limestone cave, so after
rin yung
the water
taas,
has happened so long, it starts to dissolve and give it that really pretty blue-green coloration.
Ako naman na magpapaliwanag. No? Dito makikita nyo ang galunggong at saka hiwas.
They'll be fed about 60 times every single day. We used to let tourists feed the fish, and then we started struggling with fish obesity. We had to put on a diet. A lot of people think that these fish are blind or albino. That's not true. Down here, they only lose about 20% of their vision and about 70% of their color, which makes them a very
Hindi, bato yung bigaling to.
A lot of people also think they're simply visible natural habitat, that they're going to be miserable down here. That's not true either, I promise, guys. Our fish are thriving. They're expected to live twice as long as they're supposed to in the wild, and they're expected to grow twice the size that they're supposed to in the wild. We do not do that now. They don't taste too good down here. Since they don't have all their natural food, the stuff they would naturally eat, they taste like dog food. Yeah.
Tastes like what?
Dog food.
Oh.
It tastes like dog.
One time we had a fish jump up in the boat, it landed on a lady's lap, and she started whacking it. She decided that since she killed it, she was going to take it home and cook it, and we let her because, well, yeah. So she took the fish, and then the next day she called complaining that our fish tastes like dog food.
What are you supposed to do?
Awesome butt
Everybody
wrap.
enjoyed our boat ride! Yes! Alrighty guys, is everybody excited for that walk back up?
No! Happy ka? Happy? 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 Happy. So pumunta nga kami dito para mag-enjoy. Hindi para mag-workout. Mag-workout. Grabe. Pamuling. Akala ko magkakaroon sa kaliwa ko eh. Akala ko workout. Ano ba to? Tala ng SpongeBob? Ah, to?
Saan yung magnet?
So, ito yung plano lang. Kaya kami pumunta dito gawa ng magnet na to. Uulitin ba namin to? Sabi ng mga tao. Lasa ko na may... I don't think so. Ito daw yung ano. Ito daw yung sample ng tapa. Ang laki, grabe.
Ang laki, grabe.
Ang laki. Jumbo. Lasa ko na may pagod. Relax muna at nahapo. Sir, magandang hapon po. Sir, baka kailangan niyo po ng guide.
Di ba nandun ka sa gas station kanina?
Hindi ho ako yung kapatid ko yun.
Kapatid mo ba?
Oo. Baka gusto niyo ituturo ko kayo din eh.
Meron ba yung parang kay Ann Curtis? Yung parang papasok sa...
Tingnan niyo sir. Tingnan sir. Tumayo kayo din eh. Tutulak ko kayo. Andito na tayo sa The Sinks. Quality. There you go. Yun yung dinride namin ng almost 5 hours. I think 5 hours na. Medyo madulas lang ang daan din eh.
Hindi madulas. Mabuta ako sa baba. Pero ito pala po yun.
Ay nako, lumalamig na po. Maganda yung lugar. Medyo mahirap yung daan, pero maganda ang lugar. Ito daw pong hotel with my wifey here that's so happy, and the sponsor Madam Grace and Sir Al. Sir Al, baka naman. Oh, may bear palang nagtatambay dito sa baba. Oh, see, there's a bear on the street.
50 years away from there.
Nag-shake hands sa bear.
Hello po.
Hi there.
Nice to meet you.
What's up, bear?
Pag-shake niya sa'yo, kagat.
Ang mga times na nag-ayos na lang sila dun sa titigilan namin dito. Kasi nagpabook na naman sila online. Babayaran na lang moments. So madami dito mga pwedeng puntahan. Sobrang dami. Basta mga walking distance lang to dito. Sobrang lapit lang. Kaya ang tatanungin na lang oras. Kung kakayanin ba ng panahon. Hindi masyado masarap ang kape. So, okay na yata. Alis muna kami. Yalla. Hinahanap namin ngayon yung room. Kasi yun. May tambayan pa ako. Uy, ang ganda ng tabi namin.
Di ba? Tapos sa taas niyo lang kami.
Oo.
Yan. Marami kaming dala. Akala mo di na kami uuwi. Yes! Makakapagpahinga na rin sa wakas. Woo! Siguro mga 5 to 6 hours lahat ang ginugol namin bago kami nakarating dito sa hotel. Uy! Dito tayo mag-iinit ng dinugaan.
Yes, sir.
Ng kanin. Ito yung labas ng aming, ito yung titigilan namin for a couple of days. Mga katams. Tapos ito yung gilid. Hindi naman yung gilid ng aming titigilan. Ang ina may ilog. Oh. Yan, diyan kami. Diyan kami titigil. Ice din. Maganda nga yung hotel, mura siya kumpara mo sa iba. Parang mapatak siya ng $50 per day. So, tingin ko naman sulit, maganda naman yung lugar. Tapos marami kami napuntahan ngayong unang araw. Parang 3 lugar yung pinuntahan namin. Jasper. Una namin tinigilan na yung resting area na malapit sa Tennessee River. Yun. Libre yun. Yun yung una namin pinuntahan. Tapos sumunod. Ang sunod, di ba, yung yung underground, the Lost Sea, yung underground lake. Siya yung pinakamalaking underground lake dito sa Amerika. Tapos ang sunod ay yung the Sinks, yung malaking ilog, yung falls doon. Yun yung pangatlo namin pinuntahan. So ibig sabihin sa isang araw, meron kaming napuntahan 3 iba-ibang lugar. Sulit yung unang araw. Kaya titingnan natin kung anong mangyayari bukas. At mas sobrang lapit lang namin sa mga pasyalan dito. Pwede mong lakarin lang siya tapos yun, andun ka na. So magpapahinga muna ng kaunti. No? Yalla! Paswa! Sige sir! Sige sir! Sige sir! Sir! Ilang hours kayo sir mag-stay?
12 hours lang sir, pwede
12
ba?
hours! Depende yan sir! Ano gusto nyo? Special or regular?
Yung may tema sana na rin.
May tema sir? Anong gusto nyo? Yung may kasama pang isa?
Oo. Malapit sana. Pwede ba yan?
Ito sir, dito sa Amerika walang sogo eh.
Okay.
Ano dito sa amin? Utos.